Hey friends, I wanted to share about an event coming up soon. In fact, it's July 14th through the 20th. It's 7 days with 3 sessions per day, and it's the annual Mike Cerrone event. It's just an amazing group of people that want to share tons and tons of great information, and the doors to registration are actually open now. So you want to sign up at agentsuccesssummit.com/PW for Paul Wheeler. I'm one of the 21 speakers at the 7-day online training event for real estate agents. The title of my session is Negotiation Tips and Strategies to Win More Offers for Your Clients. And I'm excited to be a part of this event. I've done it for years and years, and I love sharing my views, but it's just a great lineup. The summit is also an online video training event that you can attend from anywhere, your office, your home, your car, the gym, anywhere you have an internet connection, your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and that's what makes it so great. It's like a giant week-long real estate conference, but you don't have to travel and pay for airfare or a rental car or a hotel room or restaurant food. So you can even stay home and, I like to say, participate in your pajamas. So the 21 top trainers, coaches, and authors and speakers and thought leaders will talk about how to get more leads, more clients, and more closings. So best of all, again, it's completely free. So go sign up using that code, and you get in, and you'll learn more in that week than most people learn in 5 years of doing business. So enjoy, and I'm excited to hear about what you learn. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's put the service back in selling.